and welcome to the program Discovering Cádiz. In this program today we are going to talk about Grazalema, a beautiful village located in the mountains heart of Cádiz. In this village, the population 2,165 and its size in 122. Our village is famous because of its beauty and their buildings are white. The minute where are many interesting days of visit and what is this village for example. Monuments Our Lady of Dow Church and Indelite Roads. Museums Texting Our Museum. Square Town Hall Square. Town Hall of Grazalema. People from Grazalema are blessed due to gastronomy, beauty and well. We hope you visit our village because it's the small village is Cádiz, and if you come you will not fit this promise. We hate from you.